Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna do a little video and tutorial on this. This is from Beautybay and this is the Book of Magic palette. I just got this in PR and this looks magical. So this is what it looks like. I have swatched this shade because I'm wondering if this is the same as the Nikki Tutorials palette that I love. Yeah, I thought that I would start off by swatching all of these colors.
Girl, give me a reason, even when it ain't enough. Don't even believe it. Show me what we got in love. Girl, give me a reason, even when it ain't enough. Don't even believe it. Show me what we got in love.
Okay, here we have all of the swatches, and I gotta say that a lot of the mattes actually swatched really nicely. So I'm just gonna hold it up like this so that you can see what it looks like. I gotta do something. I gotta swatched Crystal, which is this one right here, and then from the Beautybay Nikki Tutorials palette, the shade All In. Okay, I can see right off the bat that they are not the same, but they're pretty similar. But the Beautybay Nikki Tutorials one is a lot more creamy, so hopefully you can see the change in the shift of them. The one on the bottom is the Nikki Tutorials one, and then one on the top is the Book of Magic one. The Book of Magic one is a lot darker. But I thought that I wouldn't mess around, but just get right to it because I'm going to work in a little bit, so I need to get my makeup done. So I did prime with my Milani eyeshadow primer, and now I'm gonna take the shade Vanish, which is this one. I'm gonna be super boring, but I'm just gonna take that, oh wow. I'm just gonna take that right up here. As I said before, because I have pretty long lashes, sometimes my mascara smudges off. And when I have a little bit of a set base, I feel like it's not sticking as well. So I like to just do like this. And it's raining today, so it's nice to be prepared. Okay, I'm gonna take this shade Enchanted, which is this one. So it's going to be a purple look today, but hopefully you're okay with that. Wow, this wasn't... Ooh, and do you see the pan? Do you see the kick up in there? Very powdery, so I'm going in with a very light hand when I'm picking up product instead of being as heavy-handed as I can be. And now I'm trying to stamp this on to see if I can make it to appear a little bit. But it is a super duper light shade, as you can see. So yeah, this isn't really gonna work as a transition shade for many. You know what? I am actually gonna take a mix of these two shadows. So I'm taking a little, taking a little bit of that and then a little bit of that, just to darken up my crease a tad and see if that can work. Yes, because I felt like going in with the shade Sorcery first would be maybe a little bit overkill. This is just what I'm doing. Now I'm gonna take the shade that I always fall for colors like this, like these plummier shades. This is called Voodoo. And I'm taking that on, okay, I need to tap this off. I don't wanna get fallout because I've done my foundation, not concealer though. This is just a packing brush from Real Techniques. I think I've had this for a zillion years. I think we're gonna do something fun on the lid. So even though that this is like a normal purple look that I usually do, I think that it's gonna transform once we get on the shimmer. I'm going in with a tad more to build the color up. I just think that this transforms the look so much. I'm like possessed, no, obsessed. Sorry. I just love colors like this. And I'm sitting here wondering, like, what should we do on the lids? I kind of wonder if we should take, where is it, Spell or this one? Maybe a mix of both. Let me see how they work next to each other. Oh, they work really great together. So I'm gonna take both. So I'm starting off with the shade Spell, and I'm just taking a BH Cosmetics brush. So this is this form of shimmer that doesn't pick up on the brush if you just drag like this. So I would do circular motions. Nothing to complain about. Some formulas are like that when they are a little bit creamier, and that's totally fine. Nothing I would say is bad or even good about that. Like, it's just what it is. Oh, this shade was beautiful. Wow. People at work are gonna think I'm a beautiful clown today. And then the shade Crystal. And I'm applying that on the other side of the brush. Actually gonna take a little bit on my finger and just drag it on top. Ooh, pretty, pretty, pretty. Then we're gonna go back to this Real Techniques brush that we used before and just kind of blend right here in the crease. Taking a little bit more shadow and just kind of packing it on right here. And then going in with our brush. This is the shade that we used, or this is the brush that we used to blend out shadows. And we're just gonna take that right here. Wow, I like colors, but I don't usually go this colorful when I go to work, but I'm gonna slay. Anyway, I want to continue with my under eyes. I did my concealer and all of that jazz off camera, and I did, by the way, go in with a little brow brush just to create a little wing. It's super easy, just like stamp it on. And I used the black. Oh, what a good black, as you probably could see in the swatches. I'm gonna take a mix of Enchanted and Sorcery. Oh, you can't see jack shit. Tapping it off, and this, damn, that Sorcery shade is super flaky. Not flaky, what is it called? It has so much kick up. It's insane. I'm just taking that on under my eyes. I don't want this to be too much, so I'm just going in just a tad. And then I'm gonna go in with my mascara, and I'm gonna finish off the rest of my makeup, and then I will be back to do my lips with you guys and maybe something else. Haven't decided. So this is the finished look. I did apply 2 liquid lipsticks from Dose of Colors. One is in the shade Sand. This one I bought myself, and then Rosebud. I got this from Beautybay. I actually asked them to send it to me because they told me that they were gonna send me this palette, and I asked them, like, please, 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 can you send me Rosebud, because for some reason this is restricted to my country and I have no idea why. So they were super kind and did so. Thank you to Beautybay. Just some of my thoughts on this palette. I'm gonna leave the price on the screen in case you were interested in picking it up so that you can see how much it is. So I'm gonna put it in pounds and Swedish crowns. Honestly, guys, this palette is so freaking beautiful. I think that this palette is great. I did not love this color because I felt like it was a little bit too light, but maybe that's just the way the cookie crumbles, and that's the way it is sometimes. It had a lot of kick up, which the other shadows didn't. So I don't really know about the rest of the mattes, but damn oh damn how some of these shimmers and mattes swatched is just out of this world. I think that Beautybay needs to improve, you know, in certain areas, but I think that for the price, and even if you paid even more money, I think that they have amazing products. I really do. I think that they are amazing. I think that they have amazing products, and I don't think you would be disappointed if you were to pick this up. So I'm gonna leave an affiliate link to this down below. They also have some crystal eyeshadows, like liquid eyeshadows, that I can link down below, as well as I think it was something else, but I can't remember. Oh, and I bought a headband. Do you think it's cute? I think that they're coming back in stock. They're coming back. Okay, I'm going to head off. I'm gonna head off for work. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you didn't like this video, give me a thumbs down. Don't forget that you can subscribe to my channel if you want to, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.